Quick fish tacos. This simple yet scrumptious recipe has a nice kick and is a house favorite. Delicious. Details. Prep time, 20 m. Cook time, 15 m. Total time, 35 m. Total calorie, 416 calories. Servings, 4 ingredients. 1/4 cup reduced fat sour cream, 2 tablespoons lime juice, salt and ground black pepper to taste, 1 jalapeno pepper, halved lengthwise, 2½ cups shredded red cabbage, 4 green onions, thinly sliced, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 pound tilapia fillets, cut into strips, 8 6-inch flour tortillas, 1/2 cup chopped fresh cilantro. Directions. Mix sour cream and lime juice together in a large bowl, season with salt and black pepper. Reserve about half the mixture in another bowl for serving. Mince half the jalapeno pepper, save other half for later. Toss cabbage, green onions, and minced jalapeno half in remaining sour cream mixture until slaw is well mixed. Heat olive oil and remaining jalapeno half in a large skillet over medium heat, swirl oil to coat skillet evenly. Season tilapia fillets with salt and pepper. Pan fry fish strips in the skillet in 2 batches until fish is golden brown and easily flaked with a fork, 5 to 6 minutes. Discard jalapeno half. Heat tortillas in the microwave on high until warm, 20 to 30 seconds. Serve fish in warmed tortillas topped with cabbage slaw, reserved sour cream mixture, and cilantro. Please my channel subscribe.